Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You know who I am. I'm Navid Husseini and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another 80s design, um, and I'm going to show you how you can apply your text and your logo to this beautiful style. If you want to download this template and also similar text styles, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download all of them. Um, Make sure that you have the newsletter so you can use weekly updates. And just keep this in mind that this text style is made for any language. As you can see here, we got a Japanese style. You can use this in any font, any language, no limit. Okay, let me show you how this works. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content, just like most of our products. Okay, in the new window, double click on the text layer and write your own text. There it is. Double click on the FX icon, and from the pattern overlay you can drag the pattern by clicking on the empty space of the window. Put this in the middle of your design. Close the window and you see the result to be happen. Alright, here. Beautifully applied to our design. As you can see the 3D look, you can feel the metal look. That gives a very nice sharp look. Okay, let me show you the other folders. Turn off the extrusion from the effects. Before anything else, it turns off the 3D design so we can have more speed in editing. Don't worry, we'll get back to it again. Okay, from the top, we got adjustment folder, which contains the adjustment for colors and contrast and brightness of our design. Click on each of them and change the variables so you can get a new look. Okay, we got a vignette folder, which contains the inner shadow around our design. You can change the opacity or disable it, or give it your own favorite color. Okay, we got noise on and noise off. As you can see here, like most of our retro designs, there is a retro look of and noise. You might not like it actually. You can turn off the green layer and turn on the red layer. So you got your noise off. But make sure that one of these two has to be on, and don't put both of them on. Just one of them has to be on, either on or off. Okay. Next folder is the sparkles. These sparkly things, these shiny white things here, you put them on the edges of your design so it gives a reflective look and shiny look. Just like this. Okay, we have them all in the position. Okay. Our text here is easily editable. Okay. And also this text here, double click on it and type your own text. Okay, you can position it wherever you want. Next folder is the FX folder. We're just going to skip this part because it contains the technical parts and structures of our design. Next folder is background, these mountains behind the design. You can bring this a little lower or up. We got sky here. In this sky, we got also another layers. We got material layers, material moons, stars, and smoke. We got also gradient behind the design. You can control each of them separately. You can also, for example, I can change the gradient of our sky here. Just like that. Okay. Next one is the grids. We got a grid beneath our text, easily editable. You can change the color, and finally the color here. Alright, I'm gonna get back to extrusion and turn it on. I'll just wait for the 3D. There it is. You can see the 3D metal look background. I'm gonna show you how you can apply this to a logo actually. I'm gonna import my logo in this window. Okay, I'm gonna import the Adidas logo. Okay, I'm gonna position it in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna bring the text lower. I'm gonna apply this style to be applied to both logo and to the text. For that, select this logo with rectangular marquee tool and select Ctrl-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J and split this logo in two. If you right click on this layer and select copy layer style and paste it on these two layers, just like this, our style has been applied to both layers separately. Okay, I'm done with this text layer. I'm going to remove it. From here, I can set the wave for this part of the logo. I can change the scale. For example, I'm going to put it on 50. Okay, so we'll have smaller wave for up there. I'm going to bring the wave a little bit high, just like this. Okay. I'm going to close the window, I'm going to select yes, and I'll wait for the result to happen. Okay, our text has this style now. I'm going to move it a little bit up. Okay, I'm going to turn off extrusion so we can have more speed. Okay, I'm going to, from the FX grip, I'm going to drag it a little bit up, just like this. Okay, very nice. Okay. I'm going to bring the text layer a little bit down. Okay, I'm going to write my own text here again. I'm going to use Adidas logo. Impossible is nothing. Okay. I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Okay. I'm done with this text. I'm going to disable it. I'm going to put the sparkles where they should go. Okay, I'm done. You can see the sparkles. All there is to do is to turn on extrusion and wait for the result. There it is. You can see the 3D design on our Adidas logo with our 80s text style. You can also control the depth of this design. From the extrusion, go to I'm going to turn off from 10 to 6. You can see the depth a little bit less. You can control it just like that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this design, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and have access to hundreds of our text effects and get future updates like limitless and free. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the new video. Okay, thanks for watching this.